tutorial showing you guys how to do pie charts in InDesign. So when we on the Eagle Eye use pie charts, it's actually a font. So I was showing this to Jesse, I believe. Yes, it was definitely Jesse. But yeah, I was showing this to Jesse, and I want to kind of show other people because more people than just me and Jesse need to know how to do this. Or I guess Ivy and Lily do also, but more people than just the four of us need to understand how to do this. So the font that we use for pie charts is called Chartwell Pies. Now, the way you use it is you'll create a box, and basically you have to put a math equation. So in a pie chart, all your numbers add up to 100, right? So in your pie chart equation, everything has to add up to 100. So let's just say I had 10% and 30% and 60%. And notice I do plus sign. So it's like 10 plus 30 plus 60. I'm going to make this bigger because I would like to. All right, there you go. So what you can do is you just select different colors for all your things. So if I want what color scheme? Let's just get like a nice like purpley color scheme. So I have like a hot pink, right? Make the 10 that, 30, selecting that. And I'm on the text tool, by the way. Let's make this like purple. And then 60, you can be blue. There you go. Or like kind of indigo. Yeah, there you go. So this looks nice. It doesn't matter what color you make the plus signs. You have to make sure all your numbers add up to 100. If they don't, you're going to have a problem. Additionally, points don't really work. Like if you're like, oh, 2.8% or 2.5%, like just do 3 because no person will look at a pie chart and go, oh, you know what? That actually looks like 2.8%, not 3%. Like they're not gonna see that. Like you could still write 2% or 2.8% when you label it, but you don't have to actually do it like in your chart. So anyway, highlight it all with the text tool, and you go Chartwell Pies, this one. It's gonna look like this, and then you have to edit this in OpenType. So you can just a couple ways. You can do it like this and hit set 1, and it'll make a pie chart. Or alternatively, you could select them and then go to OpenType and then go to stylistic sets and set 1. And you might be thinking like, oh, why would I do that if it's easy to just hit O? Sometimes the little O doesn't pop up. So I just want to show you guys that. And you have to edit it. You just uncheck it. Or no, I didn't select all of it. Yeah, there you go. Uncheck it. As you notice, probably the pie chart is teeny tiny. So like, in order for this to be a good pie chart, you have to make it bigger. So Command and Shift to scale proportionally, and drag it out and it's bigger. But now if I turn off OpenType, you can see that the text is not even in the box. So it looks like you have no text on the page. But you do have text on the page. Rest in peace, Donna's brief section. You have this little plus arrow, which means that there's overset text. So if you extend it, you're going to get like, how much? I have to extend this a lot, I guess. All right, you're going to see the text. But anyway, hitting Command Z to go back, that is how you do it. You could also create a pie chart that has like space on the inside, which I'll show you what I mean in a second. I think that's a different way. I actually don't remember how to do this, but I'm going to figure it out as I go because I'm pretending like I know how to do it for the sake of this little tutorial. Oh, I didn't turn it off properly. Yeah, as you can see, a little difficult sometimes. I think if you turn on, I think it was like an outline. Put like a white outline on this and make it bigger, right? I might be doing this wrong, but I might not be, so stay with me for a second. All right, there's a white outline on this. You can't really see because it's, here, let me put it on top of the cat. Now you can see. Anyway, thank you, Mr. Cat. Anyway, if you do this and you go to OpenType and then stylistic sets, I think it's set 2. No, it's not. Is it also set 1? It might also be set 1. There's a way to do it. You can look it up. Like, you can look up how to use Chartwell Pies. That's what I do every single time I need to do that. Yeah, no, that wasn't right. Okay. Anyway, there's a way to do it, and I can't remember right now, but there's definitely a way to have, like, another type of pie chart, and you can just look up, like, different pie charts made in Chartwell Pies. But essentially, that's how you do it.